2010 case CX210B, giving a quick demonstration video on an operation on it. 6,700 hours. Yeah, you can turn around. It's good power on the hydraulics. A lot of good power. Hydraulic pumps are strong. The bucket, thumb, boom, everything works. There's that straight thumb working. Digs well. Works well. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Go ahead and give you a quick demonstration on that turret. Come down real quick. Yeah, that's nice and tight, boys. All right. Now just do a quick spin around on it. Spins out well. Runs well. Works well. Perfect. That'll work. You can buy this unit right now outright before the auction on June 1st. Give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS.